Alright, good morning Fish on Alberta viewers. Today I am heading out to Mitchell Lake. I will be meeting up with James, Terry-Ann, and Victor. It's been a while since I posted a video. As you can see behind me, I have to clean out the back of the truck so I can fit the boat. I'm going to get the boat out one last time. They stocked Mitchell with some tigers a few weeks ago, so we're going to go see how that went. We ended up hitting the Highwood last weekend. There wasn't much to film, but I did bring my film gear, and James got a pretty good bowl out of the world's smallest little pool. So I got some footage of that, so I'll show you guys that now, and I'll catch up with you when I'm at Mitchell Lake. Alright, James has got a fish on. They're coming. Nice.
On your pheasant tail.
Oh, on the hot spot.
Yeah.
Nice. Bull. Bully, bully. All right, you're good, bud.
Thanks. Go back into your hole.
Good job. Gotta want it. Gotta want it.
There you go.
Nice job, brother.
Thanks. It was your fly.
Nice job.
You videoed some of that?
Oh, I videoed all of it.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh,
All right, so I'm just about at Mitchell Lake. I'm driving down the highway here. Just got out of Caroline. And look who I ran into. That would be James and Danielle up front there. Fancy meeting them on the highway. So we're just about at Mitchell Lake, and we'll start filming. It's not going to be a very late night tonight, as we got the Battle of Alberta, Calgary Flames versus the Edmonton Oilers, and you know I'm not going to miss that. I absolutely love my hockey. Aerators are out already. Okay, we're here at Mitchell Lake. They got the aerators out. That's okay. Just don't run them over. Alright. There's the camera gear. That's coming with. This. I looked that around. Oh, my poor decal. Thursday Night Live fly tying. I got word they're coming back in January with a sneak peek at the end of December. So exciting. For any of you who are interested in fly tying or interested in just fishing in Alberta in general, they're free to join, free to watch every Thursday. It's amazing stuff, amazing people. There's a lot of water in here. Where you go put the boat in the water. That sounds like James whistling over there. Oh. Okay, here comes James. Hi, Danielle. James talking to his husband?
Hi, Dad.
Ah, that's who that was.
Dad, his cousin,
Oh, so he's the social butterfly, is he?
like thought about it and he's like, you're on.
Battery
You're
dies.
mask with your battery, Matt.
It's your.
Well, you never know, those ducks might have the COVID. Ugh. Stupid boat launch. I am now. Alright, I wish we would have got that. James missed the boat launch by a little bit and Danielle almost went over. There you go, that's better.
Yeah, now we're actually on gravel.
There you go. Keep her straight, keep her straight. Alright. You got your waders on, go push her off. That was funny. Oh, funny for me, because I was over here.
You're starting to tip hard there.
Ah. I see them rising here. I switched to the sink line.
This thing I should be seeing fish all over. I haven't seen like anything. All I've seen is weeds. I haven't even seen signs of life.
That's weird. They stocked 1,100 tigers on the 20th.
Sitting down on the bottom, like right on the bottom.
I did see some fish rise right here.
Well, there could be a couple, but it's hard to say because there's definitely some little ones kicking around. Oh, there was a good one down on the bottom.
Yeah, I threw on the sink. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm getting the tugs.
13 foot.
And oh, there we go.
Hot spot,
Yeah.
pheasant tail.
I'm not sure. I got two on. Oh, he's off. See if we can catch another one. The thermometer says it is 11 degrees, at least the top 3 feet of water. And I've checked it multiple times and it has stayed at 11 degrees. I call bullshit because this water feels very cold, like it could form ice right now. That cold. So, as you've seen, I had one fish on by the aerator. I've had a couple of bites, but no hookups. Alright, so I just came around this corner. James just had a big head shake that he lost, and I just had a bunch of small hits or small strikes as I was coming through here that were definitely not weeds. So I think I'm going to circle this area for a little bit and see if we can't rustle up some fishies. There we go. That's 6 I've lost now.
They're strong.
Oh man.
It must be those little tigers.
It must be the tigers. The second they head shake, they're just gone. So, we've had about, I'd say about 10 fish on so far. Lost every single one of them. I guess you could call that a quick release. They're on for maybe 10 seconds and then they're gone. I just had a sandwich. I was eating said sandwich and a fish grabbed my fly and pulled up on the rod. Head shake, gone. Makes you wonder if those count. But this back corner here, has been pretty good for getting steady action, so I'm just gonna cruise around back here. The aerators over there are pretty not bad. I mean, there's a lot of weeds around them, and it's loud, very, very loud. But I'm gonna cruise around this back bay here, and hopefully we can get some fish on camera, or I'm gonna set a new record for myself today of losing every single fish that I catch. All right, watch the tip of the rod. Had some pretty good action here in the last 2 minutes. Oh, there we go. I'm just waiting for one to. Oh, too late. There's a lot over here. They don't feel the biggest, but a fish is a fish. I just want to know what they're hitting on. Oh, there's another hit. And these things are crazy. I'm assuming these are the stockies. Oh, drifting into the weed bed here. Oh, there we go. Get a fish on camera now. However little it may be, it is a fish. Oh, and he took the nymph. Took the nymph. Give me my fly back, please. In return, I'll set you free. Thank you. There we go. That is a tigger. Very small tiger trout. I've drifted into a weed bed here. Oh. That's what's happening. My prop is wrapped in weeds. Alright, so I just had to change all the batteries in the cameras. And that is a expedition all in itself. But now we're good to go. We're gonna go swing back through that hole in the backside and try and scare up some tigers as they're rising like crazy over there. All right, I do believe we got another tiger. Let's see what we got here, folks. Ooh, a nice tiger. And he also took the nymph. Oh, he took the nymph because my midnight fire leech is covered in weeds. Oh, this is a weird looking fish. But that is a tiger. Alright, you gotta want it, buddy. Oh, he wanted it. He wanted it in a big way. So it seems the tigers were hitting on the hot spot pheasant tail, which is these guys right here. That's the one I was using. All destroyed. I got these in 14, 16, and 18s. So I'm gonna put a 16 up top and a 14 at the bottom. That is the plan. Okay, well that was an absolute disaster. Oh, freaking 10 pounds of weeds wrapped around the prop. I then tied on, I got double nymph running now. I got a 14 and a 16 hot spot pheasant tail. Alright, so I just fixed another 4 pounds of weeds on the prop. Just sat down, just casted my fly out and had a big hit. Alright. So I just heard a fairly large thump over in the trees there. And I'm hearing fish rise all around me. Trying to figure out what that thump was. Could be a muskrat or a beaver or something. Or a deer. Who knows? Or maybe a coyote was pouncing on something, I don't know. No idea. Just the sounds of the wild. What the? There it is again. What's going on over there? Sounds like something beating up a tree. Definitely something over there. Stomping. I don't know. Well, I'm in the water and I have the motor, so come and get me. Actually, you know what? The fishing's pretty good. I just had a couple of bites, so I ain't going nowhere. Come on, Sasquatch. I thought I just heard something rise behind me. I see Danielle and James are getting off the lake and probably heading home. I'm having fun, so I'm gonna stay. At least for another hour, and then I gotta go watch hockey and drink beer. Alright, so as much fun as I'm having, it's going on 5 o'clock. And if I want any hopes of making it back before the hockey game, I'm gonna start heading back across the lake. What the devil is that? There, oh, well, not before we get one more fish in here. All right, what do we have here? I don't know what that is over there. Coming this way, looks like a log in the water. Oh, and he took the nymph. Of course he did, because that's all I got on there. Pick you up. Notice how I'm not putting any pressure on them. You gotta want it. There you go. So that was a pretty decent day. I mean, I did get a few fish on camera at least. Oh, there's a lot of deer everywhere. There's a lot of deer. Yeah, I got a few fish on camera. I definitely lost my fair share of fish today. Oh my goodness, deer everywhere. So I'm going to check out Beaver Lake right now on the way back. Victor just had a heart attack. Apparently he just caught the biggest rainbow of his career, so I'm going to go check on him and get his story, and maybe we'll get his story on camera. Alright, so I just got to Beaver Lake, and Victor and Terry Ann are here, so let's go get the story. Pardon me, but I need to see your fishing license and wind card. Yep. I came to get the full story. What the hell happened?
It's huge. It was like here and there.
Holy shit. Water level's gone down a bit.
But, yeah, it was gigantic. And he had a spunk though, man. He took the hook.
And he took you, what'd he take?
That hot spot. Hot spot gone.
Oh man.
No, it was like, because I like he got off, or like, but he was in the net, right? So, and then when I'm getting ready to cast, I'm like looking, hey, there's no hook. Yeah, eat it for lunch. He was big.
Yeah, there's big ones.
And he was spunky, like he had a lot of energy. So I'm trying to turn him upside down for a second, trying to get Terry and take a picture. I'm like, oh.
Well, when I took the temperature at Mitchell Lake, it said the water was 11 degrees Celsius, which I immediately called bullcrap because it was cold as hell.
You think it was colder?
Yeah, it felt cold, super cold.
Yeah, it was good. Oh only a few rows. I didn't see any tearing, saw 3 rise.
You caught it on the spin?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes, I did. Spin and a fly.
Did you catch one before her?
Yes.
For the first time ever?
Yeah. No way. Surprise, surprise.
Alright, so you just heard the story from Victor himself about his monster rainbow. They should be right behind me. Finally on our way home, I twisted my own arm and we're going to stop at the Burger Baron in Sundre, which we always do. I don't know if that's Victor or not behind me. Really haven't been paying attention. But we're going to stop at the Burger Baron so I can get some food energy quickly, and then I'm going to get home and watch the game. So yes, once again, for the second time, thanks for watching. And feel free to hit that like button, the notification bell, and feel free to subscribe, but I'm not going to twist your arm. So you can get all my videos that I will be posting in the near future. So thanks for watching, and tight lines.